Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 7 Best Electric Tea Kettle. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 7. Elite Gourmet Electric Tea Kettle. This powerful 900 to 1100 watt kettle has convenient capacity markings on the body, lets you accurately determine how much water you need to prepare. If it starts heating without enough water in the unit, the heater will automatically shut off to avoid damaging the heating element. Number 6. Comfy Glass Electric Tea Kettle. BPA-free glass, fast boil. Precise and safe, easy to clean. Made from high-quality, heat-tempered borosilicate glass, this electric tea kettle is durable and stain-resistant. With LED lighting, the glass kettle provides you with blue LED visual indicators when boiling. Number 5. Sunduo LED Light Glass Electric Tea Kettle. Healthier, safer, faster, easier, prettier. Featuring British imported thermostat technology, advanced auto shut-off, and boil dry protection, functions ensure you 100% electrical safety. This electric kettle operates on 1500 W and boils water within 3 to 7 minutes. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Glass Electric Tea Kettle. Fast and safe hot water. Modern design. Automatic shut-off. Cordless serving. Soft blue illumination. Kettle is faster for preparing up to 1 liter of hot water than a microwave and safer than a stovetop kettle. The kettle lifts off the base for easy serving. Number 3. Decapro Electric Tea Kettle. 100% BPA-free and food-grade material. Fast heating and keep warm. LED indicator, and automatically shut off. Easy to clean. 360 degrees clear rotational glass body is perfect for precise measuring of water. Number 2. Bella Electric Ceramic Tea Kettle. This kettle features automatic shut-off and boil dry protection, and a concealed heating element for maximum safety. This electric tea kettle features a 1350 watt heating element, fully detachable 360 degree power base with cord storage and a safe, easy to use design. Number 1. Bonsai Kitchen Electric Tea Kettle. Heat up quickly and quietly. Food-grade material. Gorgeous design. Bonsai Kitchen Electric Kettle's cordless design makes it easy to pour and serve water with the wide spout and pop-up lid, with no cords in the way. Wrap the cord underneath the electric mat for compact storage.